Muli, ito po ang iyong lingkod, si Ate Ai. Kumusta ang lahat? Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God. Complaining. After so many worries that bagging on your head comes after complaining. If you're too anticipating negative thoughts, your day will be shattered. Try to pause and breathe. Ask yourself, what just happened? Reflect and give yourself a time. Then pray, for this is the most effective solution to every situation. Appreciate the great things that happen to you on that day or that month. Then try to settle the problems one by one and open it up or talk to someone that you can count on. Kasi minsan, when you pray, we always ask, present our problem to God. But when things get better or solved, we forgot to thank God and recognize God's presence in solving the problem. Although you are the one who work hard, but God provide to sustain you on your situation. Ikaw sa situation na palaging nagbibigay, pero hindi man lang sila marunong magpasalamat. What would you feel? Or at work, you always give chance because of their excuses. The management will do some actions. Dahil syempre, ano na lang ang masasabi ng mga kasamahan sa trabaho mo na naghihirap sa task nila. Magpasalamat dahil may trabaho ka. Mas matutuwa at pakikinggan ka ng Panginoon na kahit konting blessing ay buong puso mong pasasalamatan. And for that, may God be praised. Amen. God bless.